Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got my Boxy Charm premium box for the month of August. I am super excited and stoked that I got it so early, so I wanted to show you what I got, and I went ahead and did this look with this box. So if you want to see what I got and how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Before we get to it, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would mean a lot to me. While you're down there, please click on the notification bell to get notified all the time of my future uploads. I upload 2 videos every week. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, let's get something out of the way. We are not going to talk about my face. I have a really bad picking habit that I need to work on. I am completely and fully aware of it. So if you can just skip that, I would appreciate it. Thanks. Moving on, my Boxycharm premium box. Today is August 8th. I am super excited because remember last time it was, I don't know, the 25th maybe of July when I got it. That was crazy. That was some serious wait time. So without further ado, let's just get to the unboxing part. I have my scissors here. I'm going to open this up. I haven't opened it. I haven't seen anyone else's videos. Just a few spoilers that Boxycharm themselves have posted, but other than that, this is what it looks like. This is a $37.50. You pay this and get this every month. Let's see what we got. This is what it looks like. Looks pretty empty, first impression, but let's get to it. So this is their theme for this month. I got variation number 48, which you can find that in the bottom right corner, and then a list of everything that we got, but we'll get to that later. First thing that I grabbed, this is the After Spa Slip-On Exfoliator, and this is what this looks like. Cleanses the body, removing dead skin cells that need to be carefully removed, and this retails for $18. So it's basically just like a fluff sort of sponge. It has some texture to it. I don't know if you can appreciate that in camera. Really ASMR vibes. And it kind of makes me think of like when you're boxing so that the sweat doesn't go to your eyes, that headband kind of thing. But obviously a much rougher texture. It's not like you're going to be scabbing on yourself. You obviously have to go gently into your microbiome. The next thing that we got, this is the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. Let me get it out of the plastic bag because the reflection is not letting you appreciate it. An advanced strength retinoid serum that delivers a 6.5 solution of stabilized retinoid blends and botanical retinol alternative extract into the skin. And this retails for $85. A glass packaging. I'm going to take this out so I can further show you what it looks like. It's nice and really pretty blue black glass. More ASMR vibes. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Satin Powder, the shade Translucent. And this is what it looks like. It retails for $33. More ASMR vibes. So then there's this flap thing. Fake out, like, yeah, there's more. And right here we have the Matte Amplified Cream Lipstick, and this is the shade Fast Play. And this retails for $19. Last but not least, we have the Ciate London The Editor Palette. Really pretty. This retails for $32. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 items in this month's box. It says that I'm missing 1. There was supposed to be 6, so it was like way under everything. So if you got this box, make sure you take everything out because you may miss it. This is the Laura Geller Fortifying Lashes. This black tinted formula blends with your mascara. It can be worn alone for a natural lash look. So 6 items. So this box, the total value is $235 and I paid $37.50 for this. So I more than surely got my money's worth for this box. Overall, it's not my favorite box, but they did really well. I think it's really good and the timing is perfect. Can't complain about that. So I'm going to go ahead and make a look with what I got from this box. So stick around for that. So my final thoughts on the box. The eyeshadow palette, it was really good and all, but it was a lot of shimmers. There's not a lot you could transition to. It would be a good pressed pigment palette to combine with other palettes, but just on its own, I think it would be a little too difficult to go from a shimmer blue to something else. Those are just my thoughts on it. The powder was really great, although there's better setting powders out there. The lash primer was really good. I used it as mascara and it looks pretty natural to me. You can go ahead and top it off with a mascara if you want, but if you just want a simple natural look, I think this is really great. The lipstick was phenomenal and super beautiful. I really like the shade of it. The serum, I can't give you my final thoughts on it just because I haven't tried it yet, but I've heard really good things about it, so I'm really excited to add this to my skincare routine. As for the exfoliator, not too thrilled about it. I mean, it's cool and all, but for it to have been in my Boxycharm, like instead of something else, then definitely it's not something that I would have preferred to, like, oh my god, I'm so excited that I got this kind of deal. But it's still nice to have. Overall, those are my final thoughts. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I hope you like it. Let me know that you like it by giving it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I upload 2 videos every week. So I want to see you next time. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item was. If you already got your box, let me know your comments and your thoughts about this month's Boxy Charm. I'll see you next time.